President Barack Obama is making housing the focus of his two-day West Coast swing, and he's not just talking about it, he's throwing money on the table. Bloomberg's Hans Nichols has more for us from the White House this morning. Hans?
Eric, the president wasn't going to visit Nevada, home to embattled Harry Reid, without bearing a gift. And his gift, he didn't take the price tag off of that present, is $1.5 billion for troubled housing states. These will go to state housing agencies, and it will be drawn from TARP funds. Now, the criteria for this is that the market has to have lost 20% of its housing value from the market peak. The term they're using is help for hardest hit housing markets, and the big winners will be Florida, California, Michigan, and yes, Nevada. Now, the dominant theme of the president's two-day West Coast swing is, of course, the economy, what the White House is doing for the jobs, but he's also mixing that with a little fundraising. It's a lot like Vegas itself, a little fun and a little business.
Hans, you mentioned that Harry Reid is embattled, state senator, of course, and the Senate Majority Leader, but what about having to make nice with everybody else in Las Vegas who isn't too happy with the president, including the mayor?
Oscar Goodman, the mayor of Las Vegas, is not pulling his punches. It's like one of those prize fights there. Remember back in February, the president had some critical comments about people going to Vegas. A year ago, he talked about junkets to Vegas. It seems like Vegas is always the brunt of his criticism. The mayor said, he told local TV that he doesn't plan to meet with the president. Later on today, the president will have host a meeting with the with the Chamber of Commerce and the Visitors Board there. Aides are signaling that he'll make nice a little bit, but he doesn't want to tamp down on that rhetoric about wasteful junkets out there to Vegas. So the president has to walk a real fine line.